future continuous tense. As its name suggests, the future continuous tense indicates that an action or state is going to happen in the future. This tense also indicates that a future action or state will be continuous, meaning that it will happen over a period of time. For example, the sentence "tomorrow, I will be grading final exams" all day expresses the thought that you will be spending a while grading those exams. There are several common ways to use the future continuous tense. 1. The main reason to use the future continuous tense is to point out that a future action will take place over a length of time and won't happen all at once. This is the biggest reason we would use it over the simple future tense. The following two sentences clarify the difference between future simple tense and future continuous tense. Tomorrow night the fireworks will shoot into the sky. Tomorrow night the fireworks will be shooting into the sky. It is a slight difference, but the second sentence suggests that the fireworks will be exploding for a while, whereas the first sentence suggests there will be only one instance of fireworks going off. Typically, we use adverbs or adverbial phrases to clarify that an action or state is occurring over a period of time. On Monday, we will be hunting ducks all morning. She will be shopping for several hours. We can frequently use the future continuous tense and simple future tense interchangeably to express the same general idea. For example, the sentences "I will work at the store tomorrow" and "I will be working at the store tomorrow" can express the exact same thought. 2. Another common reason we use the future continuous tense is to make comparisons between the present and the future. By this time next week, I will be surfing in California. 3. We can also use the future continuous tense to say that more than one future event will be happening at the same time. When the clock strikes 7, we will be playing in the streets. An important thing to remember about the future continuous tense is that, in general, we don't typically use it with stative verbs. Stative verbs such as like, want, or believe express states or conditions, so it would typically be odd to use them in the future continuous tense. Instead, we commonly use the simple future tense with stative verbs. The formula for future continuous tense is subject plus will be plus present participle of the verb. The present participle is a form of the verb that ends in ing. For example, the present participle of swim is swimming. The future continuous tense is easier to use than the present or past continuous tense because the verb be remains the same regardless of what the subject is. For instance, I will be swimming. You will be swimming. He or she or it will be swimming. We will be swimming. You will be swimming. They will be swimming. There are no exceptions to this rule and the form remains the same regardless which person the subject is in first, second, or third, or if the subject is singular or plural. To make the future continuous tense negative, all you need to do is put the word not between the words will and be. Everything else stays the same. Thankfully, we will not be cleaning up the mess after this concert is over. If everything goes as planned, we will not be meeting with angry parents tomorrow.